Okay, example 3 is addition of mixed numbers, and with unlike denominators happening this time. So very much like the first example we looked at with subtraction of mixed numbers, except the common denominators aren't there. Again, for me personally, I like mixed numbers vertically positioned. So what I'm going to do here is I've got 7 and some fraction plus 2 and some fraction. Okay, I'm going to copy it out of my book like that. All right? And what I want to do is mentally determine the least common denominator, which is what? 20. So I'm going to go ahead and make my common denominators on each fraction 20, 20. Then I'm going to fix each numerator appropriately. So this first fraction has a 3 on top and a 5 on bottom. I change the 5 to a 20, which is multiplication by 4. Multiplication of 3 by 4 gets me a 12. The second fraction has a numerator of 3, denominator of 4. I've changed the denominator to 20, which is times 5. 3 times 5 is 15. So 7 and 12 20ths plus 2 and 15 20ths is what I get as a problem with common denominators. Okay? Don't feel obligated to write the problem down out of your book. You can make modifications as you write it down, common denominator, that kind of stuff. Save yourself a little bit of room on your paper. And just like subtraction of mixed numbers, addition is adding the fractions and adding the whole numbers. 12 20ths plus 15 20ths is 27 20ths. We'll deal with that in a minute. 7 plus 2 is 9. So there's my answer I get by just straight addition. Haven't done anything weird. Okay? Common denominator existed. The numerator's got added up. The common denominator is written on the final answer. The problem with a mixed number with an improper fraction in it is that's just bad math. Okay? When you write a mixed number, it's a whole number with a proper fraction attached to it. So the fact we have an improper fraction here, if we take a look at 27 20ths, what would that look like as a mixed number?
1 and 7 20ths.
That's 1 and 7 20ths, right? So what happens is that this is 1 whole plus 7 20ths more. So what we're going to do is we're going to make the 1 whole add to the 9, and we're going to change this into a nice proper fraction to get 10 and 7 20ths is our best answer. Okay? If you were doing your homework, you left 9 and 27 20ths as your final answer, I give you half credit because it's not wrong. It's just not in the best form it can be. So I'd expect for full credit, you get down to the proper way to write a mixed number, whole number followed by a proper fraction.